Carne asada, when translated, means grilled meat and is a popular Mexican street food. A delicious, juicy, marinated steak is grilled to perfection with a few simple ingredients. The speciality of this dish is the charred flavour and, of course, the marinade itself. You can serve it by itself or make some tacos. Either way, the steak is tender and delicious. Open up a ziplock bag. Pour in 500 milliliters of orange juice, 50 grams of garlic, 100 milliliters of lime juice, 1 tablespoon of pepper, 2 teaspoons of salt, 100 grams of jalapeños, 40 grams of coriander, and 60 milliliters of olive oil. Zip up the bag and mix everything really well. Then put 200 grams of beef steak inside. Zip up the bag, mix together, and let it rest for 6 hours. Butter a hot grill pan and cook the steak. Only turn the steak once during cooking for the best result. Then thinly slice the beef and serve up with flour tortillas. There you go, a very special snack.